I have this model, which I just modeled as a practice. It's a watertight model made by Booleans, and I'm exported it to the remeshing tool, which I found on GitHub once, and now they released the new version 1.1.0. So I tried to test it. So it's happened only 14 hours ago. Okay, what I've tested, what I've got. First, I've uploaded this model. This is the source. This is the result. I've tested many poly counts, but I've found that this model doesn't remesh well as any other whole surface model, because I don't know why, because of algorithm, I guess. Then I think you will get better results with organic surfaces, but with hard surface models we have what it is. So what do we see? We can see that this model partially remeshed very well, but it still has some artifacts on I don't know, maybe specific zones, but not sure. Maybe it's just a random zones. It's kind of algorithm instability zones. I like how this algorithm solved these zones, areas. Also, this algorithm adds crease edges on near the sharp areas, and sometimes it glitched. This algorithm, I think, don't like such as this intersections or kind of zones, kind of corners. The rotation, what can I see else? Okay, for example, I downloaded the previous version of this tool and tested this remeshing in the tool. So you can see that this area is not quite well, not perfect, but quite well if in comparison with the previous one, because the previous one we have the same count of target quads, but as a result we have only 17,000 quads and 18,000 vertices. What we have? This we have in the new version, we have much more quads and vertices, twice, more than twice. So as a result we have model which has much more artifacts and bad remeshed retopologized areas than new one. The progress it is a good progress, as I can see. I like how it's remeshed this area And I like this element. I love how it's remodeled this element. Really good. But okay, finally we have this result, and I think in some could be useful for some reasons. You can use it to you can use this as a intermediate result and just fix these spikes and issues by your hand in your preferable DCC. I'm not sure, but could be. Okay, thank you for your attention.